Understanding, Stepped Out of Line, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, stepped out of line. Idioms add color to our language, and understanding them is crucial for mastering English. So, let's unravel the meaning behind this expression and see how it's used in everyday conversations. The phrase, stepped out of line, is used to describe someone who has behaved inappropriately or broken the rules. It originates from the literal idea of stepping outside of a physical line or row, symbolizing deviation from what is expected or acceptable. When someone steps out of line, they're not following the agreed-upon norms or guidelines, which can lead to various consequences depending on the context. To fully grasp the idiom, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, if an employee criticizes their boss in front of others, they might be said to have stepped out of line, as it breaks the norms of respect and hierarchy in the office. In personal relationships, telling someone else's secret to a third party can be considered stepping out of line because it violates the trust between individuals. In public or social settings, cutting in line or speaking out of turn during a meeting are physical and metaphorical ways of stepping out of line, showing disrespect for social norms. The meaning and severity of stepping out of line can vary greatly depending on the context and culture. What might be seen as a minor infraction in one setting could be considered a major offense in another. This idiom highlights the importance of understanding the rules and norms of different environments, whether they are social, professional, or cultural. When using the phrase, stepped out of line, it's important to be aware of the tone and implications. It can be used to gently chide someone for a minor mistake, or to seriously criticize major misconduct. The flexibility of this idiom makes it a useful tool in both casual and formal English, but clarity about the context and the gravity of the situation is key to its effective use. We hope this exploration of the idiom, stepped out of line, enriches your understanding of English expressions and aids in your language learning journey. Remember, idioms are the spices of language. Knowing how to use them appropriately can make your conversations more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you navigate more intriguing aspects of the English language in our future videos.